We're here in Bonchari to support a church project. There are two things I want to speak to. The current strike of the medics that has affected the healthcare services in Kenya a great deal. It's a shame that we can't get to sitting and having a conversation as adults and find where the issues are and be able to go back to work. People are suffering, the pregnant mothers, the children, the old people are suffering in hospitals. They're going there, they're not getting services, they're turned away. So some are going to cause a lot of deaths or some complications that may never heal because the help was delayed. We're urging the government, starting with the CS Health, as a matter of urgency, convene a meeting with the medics, discuss what the issues are, find a solution, because leaders are supposed to find solutions so that the medics can go back to work and help our people with healthcare services. That's what we want to see the government doing. We can't talk about service delivery without the officials who are responsible leading the talk or walking the talk. With regard with the fertilizer, there has been a big discussion in this country. We are witnessed a situation where we thought we were getting good fertilizer, but it's fertilizer is soil, comes like DAP or something else, but it's not fertilizer. Where is NSPP? Why is NSPP not telling us how those several tons of soil got their way into our stores and to the distributors? The government should take action immediately, because we have all the agencies, we have AACC, we have the DCRO, to take necessary action so that the culprits can be arrested. I don't think it's rocket science to know who is behind it, because from the distributors you can go back to the suppliers and to the manufacturers so that it can be held to account. The delay is not something that is good for the country. It doesn't affect well for the government. The government should swing into action and bring all those who are responsible for supplying the fake fertilizer, which doesn't serve any purpose, so that the farmers can get the fertilizer that we pay for, that we expect the government to supply. Thank you very much. We have witnessed the spate of accidents in our roads. I'm not very sure whether it's the condition of the vehicles or it's the condition of the roads, because it's raining in Kenya. Everywhere in Kenya, very heavy rains, which make the roads a bit slippery. But we can't afford to be losing so many people through accidents. And NTCA should put in place mechanisms that control the speeds of our cars on the roads. We don't want to see a situation where the policemen who are supposed to be working for or with the NTCA standing there to collect money from the motorists. They should be able to do their work and ensure that the vehicles are supposed to be having governors, have governors that are serviceable, governors that work, so that our people can be safe and either the motorists or the road users are safe all the way. So the government, through NTCA, through the police who support NTCA, should be able to control this. I don't see why we should be having so many accidents. Losing like more than 10 people in one accident is just too much that Kenya, where we are, to be experiencing at this time of our lives. Thank you.